Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to have 7 minutes about 5 best exercises for bigger forearms. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Strengthening the forearm and the wrist plays a vital role in a bodybuilder's life. If you have a weak wrist and forearm, you cannot perform movements well. Movements such as deadlifts and all movements that are related to the arm and back of the arm. By increasing the strength of the forearms, you can do exercises related to the chest and shoulders more easily. In this video, we are going to be sharing with you 5 exercises that strengthen your forearm. Stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Wrist and forearm exercises stretch and strengthen the muscles that cover the entire arm, wrists, and elbows. These muscles help us to do almost everything in daily life. From opening cans to carrying objects and walking, you use your wrist and forearm muscles. These muscles are used in many sports such as golf, racquetball, basketball, etc. Besides, strengthening the forearm can also increase the strength of the hand and the ability to hold objects, which leads to an increase in strength and power of the upper body. If you can improve the strength of your hands, you can do daily tasks in many sports better and have a significant physical function. Apart from improving your physical condition, this increase in strength can also improve your self-confidence and mental health. You may be an athlete and always strengthen your legs, chest, arms, and shoulders on a regular basis. But do you care about your wrists and forearms? Some people may be able to strengthen their forearm muscles with the help of exercises suitable for other parts of the body. But, in general, you should also have appropriate exercises for these muscles in your program to build toned forearms and not suffer from muscle imbalance. Growing an arm without having muscular forearms is useless and impossible. Hiding weak forearms is difficult and can ruin the beauty of your limbs and arms. Here are 5 effective exercises to strengthen your forearms. Number 1. Palms up wrist curl. To perform this move, while sitting, place your wrists on your knees, raise your palms, and hold a pair of dumbbells. Hold the dumbbells, bend the wrists and raise your arms as high as you can. Make sure your arms stay still and do not move. Pause for a moment and then return your hands to the starting position. Number 2. Palms down wrist curl. This is the same as the previous option, except that you have to lower your palms and then bend your wrists. Be sure to keep your arms still and in control of your movements. Number 3. Grip crush. To perform this move, while sitting, place the wrist of one hand on the knee, hold the palm facing up, and hold a dumbbell with it. Place the other hand on the forearm of this hand. Fist your hands and bend your wrists and move up. Press the dumbbell at the same time. Now loosen and open your fingers so that the dumbbell moves towards the fingertips. And hold as tight as possible. Number 4. Farmer's walk. To perform this move, hold a pair of dumbbells in your hands and stand. Maintain proper body shape, raise your chest and bring your shoulders down and back. Move 30 to 40 steps for each set. Repeat this for 2 to 5 sets. Number 5. Pinch grip plate. To perform this move, hold a weight with one hand and straighten your fingers completely. The weight should be relatively heavy and placed between the thumb and the other 4 fingers. Hold this weight in each set for 30 to 45 seconds, or more if you can. Take a break and do 2 to 3 sets. Forearms are usually overlooked, but they are very important and contribute to the overall strength of your body. In addition, strong forearms have a very beautiful appearance and multiply the beauty of the whole body. Therefore, you should also focus on these muscles and have a balanced exercise program. You have to remember that the importance of strengthening the wrist and forearm is not limited to volume and growth. Experts claim that these muscles can improve the range of motion of the body and lead to better movement of your body. For example, if you want to train with free weights or exercise equipment, you have to hold the weights with your hands. If you do not have the strength to lift and carry weights, if your hands and forearms are weak, and if your wrists ache or get tired quickly, you can never strengthen the muscles of your chest, arms, shoulders, back, armpits, etc. The forearm can withstand a lot of pressure. Professional bodybuilders have shown that having strong forearms can lift very heavy weights. So, if you want to go for heavy weights to spend a lot of energy, you can do proper forearm exercises and satisfy your need. Of course, remember not to lift too many heavy weights at the beginning of the work so as not to damage your tendons. Exercises for the wrist and forearm muscles can increase the strength of your arms and upper body so that you can better perform daily activities and other exercises in sports. With the help of the exercises that we have reviewed, you can arrange a varied and enjoyable program and strengthen your forearm well. The key to having a strong, well-trained wrist and forearm is to be patient and stick to your exercise program. Also, remember to seek help from a doctor and coach and take enough time to rest and recover. By following the tips, you can get the best results in the shortest time, prevent injuries and build a fit and beautiful body. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.